your ears are in for a treat today, because for the first time ever I mounted a microphone right at the exhaust. If you thought my Elise sounded good before, wait until you hear this. I've installed a second microphone back at the exhaust, but first let's listen to how only my POV camera's microphone sounds. Oh. Now listen what happens when I combine it with the exhaust microphone. Hear some nice exhaust, and yes, this is the road we've driven with the Caterham. Such a cool road. I've never driven it with the Elise. Wow. My god. Yeah, as I just said, I've ordered a microphone for some exhaust sound, and I've ordered a second camera, which I've not set up yet, for some outside shots. But for now, I think the exhaust sound should be a nice added bonus. Oh, it smells a bit burnt. Hopefully that's not me. Usually I shoot with the DJI Osmo Action 4, and now this is the 5 on my head. And I want to compare if the field of view is the same or if it is better or worse. Not sure yet. But the sound definitely should be improved. I think afterward we're gonna go down this road again, because that is the road that's a bit cooler. Yeah, there I quickly went to the right side because I wanted to make some space for the traffic that is ahead. I think that should be enough. And so I can get a nice first gear pull. Just listen to how violent this sounds. Oh, okay, let's test the microphone. I'm gonna give it a pull. This ride is going to be a bit less talky, and I literally just let you enjoy the exhaust. The road has ended, so it's time to turn around and go back down this other really sick road, which I went with the Caterham. First, let's tune some microphone settings. Okay, I've turned on noise cancelling just to test it out, but as you will see, it did not go as planned. This is how only the microphone sounds with noise cancelling on. I don't know why it makes it sound like whoa-ah. I mean, if I turn down the volume it sounds alright, but I'm just gonna leave it in for this quick part of the video. But next time I'll definitely turn off noise cancelling again. Now we're gonna drive down the other road, which is a bit more narrow. It's only one lane, but it's, in my opinion, much more fun. road we drove with the Caterham. The uphill might even be more fun. But let's see. Blind. Really blind. Okay, I need to take off my sunglasses, otherwise I can't see shit. Yeah, and I think I need to replace my front brake pads. They're starting to give away a bit. This road is insane, man. Whoa. Here is a really blind 90-degree corner. This road is also really cool. I mean, this curve. Yes! Slow entry, fast exit. But I can already tell on the same road as the Caterham performs completely different than the Lotus. Front engine versus rear engine, and about 400 kilograms less than this car. The turn is a bit better. Okay, car coming. Yeah, you can see you have to really watch out. Lucky for us, not much traffic today. Whoa. Okay. Hell yes. Alright, now we turned noise cancelling completely off and see how that sounds. Yes, a little limiter for you all. I must say it's quite bumpy actually. I hope the microphone is gonna stay attached. But it should. And as always, in every video, I completely obey the speed limits. What was I about to say? I completely obey the speed limit, and my speedo at 90 is actually 80 at GPS. Let's quickly go out here and check if the mic is still attached. Let's hope, let's hope. Yes! Exhaust is down here. It could also be good at this point, but I think this might already be too hot. Yeah, I should have left it where it is, because right above the exhaust, the pops and bangs are just clipping the microphone. Okay, reattached. Now the noise cancelling is off. So let's see how the sound difference is. I hope you enjoyed the video, enjoyed some sounds. Hope it worked out all fine. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next one.